Okay, here we are back on the 3.0 engine. We had to take off the air compressor, and it's just hanging there. It's not very heavy, so it's okay. It's just hanging down there. You can see it down below. But what was difficult was you had to take the bracket off. There's two bolts underneath, and then this silly thing, God knows what it's for, but whoever did it last time left it a little bit loose, so you could just swing it out of the way to reach that one difficult bolt for the alternator bracket. And the alternator bracket is right here, right there. You save your bolts, mark them, they're all different sizes, mark where they go, things like that, you know, with an ink pen. We had taken the motor mount off last night. I don't know if I got around to that. You want to mark what bolts go in what order, because you can see there's really 4 motor mount bolts, but only 3 of them go in first. Then another one comes in last. This thing here is behind the, actually this is the motor mount plate. No, this is behind the motor mount plate. This is the motor mount plate. You can see the other part of the motor mount here. Look, this would be top down this way. So you have the 2 bolts in the side, and then a pass-through bolt, a hinge pin, the kind of bolt it goes into there, and then this bolts to the front of the engine, but really it bolts on top of this thing, which is some kind of a power steering goes over here. We had to get those 2 bolts out. It turned out, because whoever did it last time actually cracked the timing cover a little bit, that we didn't have to take the pulley off of the power steering column, which actually saved a little time. So, and then from there, once we had that plate off, we came and took off the 3 cam shaft covers for the timing belt. There's 3 here. You notice we're marking them, leaving the bolts in there so we know where they go. And the same thing with the center timing belt cover. So it pays to have a little extra room around to lay things that won't be disturbed. We drain the radiator. It's funny, the radiator hose goes in this side, and actually they both go in this side, but you actually drain it on the driver's side. And that was interesting to know. I don't think you have to drain it completely, just drain out about 1 gallon, because the water pump is actually up high. You can